So this question is from 36, and it looks like this to be a negative 3c squared plus 24c cubed minus 48c to the fourth. Okay, first thing I would do is write it in descending order. So c to the fourth, then c to the third, then c squared. I still see an actual c, but it's also negative here, so we're going to get rid of those things. So first off, I see that they all have c's. I think I can divide them all by 3, and we can get rid of some c's and the negative. So let's take out 3 and c to the second, because this is the lowest, and we'll take out negative 3. That way, then I don't have a negative in this one. So now if I divide this by 3c squared, 48 divided by 3, so 16c squared. This one, we'll do it over here, negative 3c squared. This one will be negative 8c, and this one, that would just be divided by negative 3c squared is going to be 1, right? So now we have that. And then I think I can square root this, and I'm pretty sure I can square root that. So let's try that. So let's make it 4c and 4c, and we'll make this 1 and 1. And when they multiply, they have to be positive. But when I add them, they have to be this negative 4. But do you see this? So this is, I think, my answer. But just checking this part, 4c times 4c gives me 16c squared. 4c times negative 1 gives me negative 4c. Then this one times this one gives me the other negative 4c. Then this one times this one gives me positive 1. And then we would multiply it all by 3c squared, and then we could see that we get negative 48c to the fourth. Negative, I'm going to combine these, so that's 8. 8 times that is 24. C to the third minus 3c squared. So yeah, checks out. So this is my answer here. It's a tricky one. I think especially because you get here and then you think, well, negative 1 times negative 1, yeah, it gives me positive 1, but you think you're not adding them to get that. But you have to remember that these ones are 4c. Okay, hope that helps.